In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Monday.com. If you want to use Monday.com in a different language, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part clearly so you can update the language setting without any confusion. To begin, open Monday.com in your browser or desktop app and log in to your account. Make sure you're fully signed in and on your main workspace or dashboard before moving on. This makes it easier to find the settings you need without getting distracted by other menus. Once you're inside Monday.com, look for your profile picture. You'll usually find it in the top area of the screen. Click on your profile picture to open the account menu. This is where Monday.com keeps personal options related to your account, preferences, and profile settings. After the menu opens, find the option labeled My Profile or Account Settings and click on it. Depending on the version you're using, the wording may be slightly different, but the goal is the same. You want to open the section where your personal account preferences are stored. When you're in that area, look for the language setting. This may appear as a drop-down menu or a selectable field. Take your time here and make sure you're choosing the correct section, because account settings can sometimes include several categories like notifications, appearance, or personal details. Now, select your preferred language from the list of available options. Choose carefully, especially if you're switching to a language you're still learning, because once the interface changes, the menu names and labels will also appear in that language. After selecting the language you want, save the change. This step is important because if you leave the page without saving, the new language may not be applied to your account. Look for a Save, Update, or Confirm button and click it before moving on. Finally, refresh Monday.com to apply the new language across the platform. In many cases, the change appears right away, but refreshing helps make sure the full interface updates properly. If needed, you can also close and reopen the app or browser tab for a complete refresh. And that's it. Your Monday.com account should now display in the language you selected. If you ever want to switch it back or try another language, just repeat the same process through your profile and account settings.